Hello, welcome. I'm AMJ and I have another Dior purchase to share. I purchased these items on February 1st, 2023, and I did receive the lovely Valentine's Day box packaging, so I was very happy to receive that. Okay, here's the note card. All right. There may be many blessings in your future. Okay. Okay. Here's the sample bag. And I was able to receive 2 free samples with my purchase. I chose this perfume. It did not compliment me at all, but it does smell good out the bottle, but it didn't compliment me. And I decided to try Dior Snow Essence of Light Micro Infused Lotion. So this was different. So I decided to use that. I did not receive a deluxe sample since my order was not over 100, but I did use a promo code. I believe it was MissYou23. With that, I received Dior 999 lipstick sample. Dior Show Iconic Overcurl Mascara. I do have this one. And I received this really cute makeup pouch. It's like a little clutch. It's really cute. Let me see if I can open it. Here it is. It's really cute. Now for my purchase, I ordered Dior Addict Lip Glow in Rose Nude. So I'm hoping this is a true nude color for me. There it is. It's pretty packaging. Do like that. This was $40. And I got Dior Addict Lip Maximizer. That's beautiful. And there's the color. Very nice. Let me see what color this is. This is Rose Nude. Okay, so this was also $40. Yeah, so I'm excited to try those. I did find out, because I'm now part of the loyalty program, I will be receiving a silver welcome gift, so I will be sharing that with you guys next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.